morning from Okayama. Last day I've been to Kurashiki City. It was really historic and beautiful, so I really enjoyed it. Today I'm gonna look around some more, a bit of this Okayama City, and we'll head to Kojima town further south. There I will look around some jeans store. Even though I couldn't get a chance to have a tour or kind of a experience, but I just wanna go there and see how the city is, to look around the foundation of Japanese denim industry. Now I'm heading to Okayama Castle. It's right across the train station. Yeah, I'm gonna head there, briefly look around, and I don't know when to go to Kojima town, but I'll briefly look around this city and then we'll head to the south. I just came out to the other side of the station. It's totally different. It feels like I'm in a different city. The guest house I'm staying is in the area of kind of a traditional village or traditional shopping arcade district. So it shows that there are a lot of low story buildings, but in the different side of the station there are a lot of new buildings. There is a tram in this city. I never took it. I could take the tram when I'm coming back to the station after looking around the city. And the weather is really hot. Now I came to the castle and the garden in front of it. There is a small island of garden, and right next to it there is a Okayama Castle. I guess you can ride a boat in here. Oh, it's huge. I guess I enter from the back side, and there is a cleaning work is on right now. It's kind of like a small garden in front of the castle. It's pretty high. I guess these are a lot of sakura trees in front of the castle. So when the flowers were fully blossom, it would be really beautiful. It's pretty huge. There was a 500 entrance fee in here, but normally they're not that much special. Outside is much more beautiful, so I will pass this one. And there are a lot of beautiful places that I will go after the castle, so I'm gonna go to other place. Yeah, you can see this whole castle wall, and maybe that will some kind of a ruin. I've just looked around the whole castle and it was not that pretty much. The construction was really great. I'm not interested in the garden, so I'll pass that, and I could take a tram to get to the Okayama station, and then I can go to Kojima town from there. It takes about 30 or 40 minutes by train from Okayama station. So maybe I can get lunch in Kojima town or in front of the station, I don't know yet. Yeah, I'll take a tram to go to Okayama station and we'll head to Kojima town. Oh. There is a small kind of a plate right there. There is a tram station. I'm gonna try it. It's cool.
Nuked out dance party.
Yo, Skrill, drop it hard.
ride the tram, and it was really interesting experience. I feel like I went back to like 60s or 70s. There is a train, various trains that goes to Kojima, and I bought a wait seat ticket to get there. It arrives in like 5 or 10 minutes. And yeah, it would be fun ride to get there. Yeah, I just ride a train, and it would be a fun ride to get to Kojima town.
君の声が聞きたいよ君の夢を見ていたいこの想い消えないまま夜を越えて会いに行く街明かりが
Yeah, I arrived in Kojima. I just arrived in Kojima station. This is a small city near the Seto Inland Sea of Japan. I saw there is a jeans museum. There is a brand that makes the museum about jeans, and I just want to see what kind of things they exhibit in there. It's about 30 minutes walk from here. While going there, I could see the ocean. It would be great to have an experience there. Yeah, this is the sea, Seto Inland Sea in Japan. Wow, there is kind of a port there, the industrial port there, I guess, and here are some speedboat. I guess this village was some kind of a fishing village in old times, in traditional time, but it changed to the industrial port, I guess. It's pretty cool. Wow. I can feel the salty water. I guess this road is the main shopping and commercial street because it directly connects to Kojima station. From here you can go to everywhere. Like on the right side there is a port, and on the left side there is a village. This village has a lot of sakura on the road. The cherry blossom sea road, amazing. It's so beautiful, and the water is so clear that you can see the bottom, and there are a lot of fish. Wow, it's so vast, so clear. This village is truly an old school Japanese neighborhood. It's like a small stream and jinja there, bus stop. Here is a huge construction size and work size factory of the jeans brand. It's called Betty Smith. Today is a weekday, so there aren't many people are here. Yeah, you can do your own jeans making experience in here. Yes, this is some kind of a factory. I guess they are making their own denim products in here. Inside there are a lot of jeans and cotton products. Oh, here's a factory tour. Now it is closed, but I guess it's lunchtime, so let's wait until 1 p.m. and see what it is. Yeah, they're working on the making jeans here.
生地を切っていく。
すごいですね。
うん。
何が違いですか？
これと
うん
なんだろうな、おそらく
おそらく
maybe
maybe
ファブリック
fabric OK OK like denim 100 denim 700%
重なっていけばいくほど硬くなっていって針がポキって、
like this パ
からその調整っていうか、
調整っていうか
を難しいかな。
はい。何年ぐらいここに？
僕は10年。
10年
10 year
10 year マスターですね。チェンジマスターです。
重い。ヘビーウェイト。
ヘビー。like ヘビー。
これをここに乗せる。
ありがとう。わかります。ありがとうございます。I've just been to the factories of this town. Betty Jeans factory and TCB Jeans was really close from the Betty Jeans factory, and also TCB Jeans has a store there. I could go up there and met a worker there, and he let me into the factory tour kind of, so it was really fun and it was a great experience to go there and how the work is going. Yeah, I just ate some kind of Japanese restaurant in the roadside, and the shop owner was really friendly and he speaks some Korean words and some phrases. Yeah, it was an awesome experience in the middle of nowhere in Kojima town. There are some people who speaks Korean. After eating lunch, I'm heading to a jeans street in the city center. So this is the entrance of the jeans street. Advertisement for the festival in here after 2 weeks. Konnichiwa. I've just walked around the whole Kojima jeans street area. It was really interesting to walk around the whole street full of denim and jeans products. This town is really crazy about denim. I guess in the traditional times or in modern times, there are industrial ships coming with textile and all the industrial, and their quality was really nice. These days, a lot of fast fashions like Uniqlo and Zara, H&M has taken over the whole fashion industry, but it was really interesting to watch. There is also masters and craftsmen are still left in Japan in this small countryside village, and there is also a jean making experience in Betty Smith's workshop. So if you're interested, you can go there and check the price there. So this was the adventure in Kojima town, which is the foundation of Japanese denim industry.